Start.
Activity loaded. Say start procedure to continue.
Start procedure.
On your belt, use the blue carabiner to securely tether to the tether cable inside the storage area.
Next step.
Locate the e-stop key inside the storage area.
Next step.
Locate the e-stop button, insert keys into it and turn it to off.
Next step.
Locate the fusible disconnect box.
Next step.
Attach a carabiner from the storage area to the blue carabiner on the fusible disconnect box.
Show details. Reset body temp. Reset pressure. Close details. Continue.
Attach a carabiner from the storage area to the blue carabiner on the fusible disconnect box. Remove the blue carabiner from the fusible disconnect box.
Next step.
Transfer the blue carabiner to storage.
Next step.
Open the fusible disconnect box, and secure the lid in the open position.
Next step.
Locate the black disconnect in the top of the fusible disconnect box.
Show details. Reset heart rate. Close details. Continue.
Locate the black disconnect in the top of the fusible disconnect box.